You know, I feed my turtles and the food gets stuck right here in the throat. And I got to hit them on the back to get it out. What do you call it? Shell shock. They get shell shock. You're welcome.
Show shot. You're show shot. What do you think?
You're starting with the bad jokes early, huh?
Okay, so we have our wood for the beams for the build.
Yay!
At least for the beams for the actual cabin, and then we'll have to do another beam later for the front deck that's going to go on there. Do that before we do walls and stuff, but we have the beams here, treated 2x8s to do the beams for the floor of the actual cabin.
Yeah.
So
It's
finally
exciting.
we're going to get going on that. Still
Yeah.
got a couple more things to do on the small one over there. We want to get started on this one too, and we'll just kind of go between the two,
Yeah.
right? There's not a whole lot left on that other than just getting a little bit of fascia board on it. And
And then the corner boards.
corner boards and then the wood stove,
Yeah.
which we have. We just need to get it up through the roof and then throw some insulation in and then
Bada bing,
board it
bada
up, I
boom.
guess, right?
Yeah.
And just a couple things to sit on and that'll be it. It'll be a nice little warming shack / tiny cabin.
Yeah, it'll be real cool.
To keep us warm while we build this one. And to use in the meantime.
Yep.
But there they are, look at that. So nice.
Let's get started on this
Yeah,
floor.
let's get them out at least, yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
Oh,
so.
just grab them from there. Yeah, right.
What's that?
I was like, are we gonna open this? But yes, we're not.
You could try lifting it, but
Yeah, no.
this goes all right. Want you just pass them to you, or
I don't know.
can you do that?
Just grab it. Yeah. Okay, I'll grab it here.
Like this?
Okay.
Yep.
Splinter.
Instantly, yep. Just kick yours that way a tiny bit. Try a bit more. This is fun.
Yeah. You gotta check my crayons because I can't see them, right?
So what we got here is treated 2x8s. This is going to be the beams. We're going to do 3, 10 feet apart each one. These are about 10 feet apart, a little less. And then we'll do a laminated beam. So one here, a 4 foot or a 5 foot, and then another 10 foot. And then the same thing, right? Just a normal 3-ply beam. So that's what we're doing here, and that'll carry the floor. And then we'll run. These are 2x8, so they can span less than 10 feet, no problem. And then we'll go on top of the beams, we'll do the joists, and they'll be 10 footers as well. So then we'll put the 10 foot 2x8s on top of that too, and that'll be perfect on top of these, and that'll carry the floor, and we'll sheet it in.
Yay!
So getting these beams done is step one.
So fun.
It's exciting, eh?
Yeah.
And then we'll lag bolt here, like we did before. Run lag bolts here and over there.
Yep.
We'll just do that once it's all squared up and tight, and that'll be it.
Yeah.
It looks like a
betcha.
beam now.
I love it. That's awesome. Yeah. Then we'll
Cool.
just cut this guy.
Feels like it's happening now. Yeah, we'll get this out. the fascia metal.
Yeah, that'll be nice to get that up.
I know,
It'll just
right?
feel so much more done.
That'll clean it right up.
Oh yeah.
Then the corner boards, and then we're done.
Then the outside's
outside.
done. It's gonna look good.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just set this in here.
Yep.
We'll get that beam nailed up. Maybe throw some of that up. Finish the other couple beams.
Yeah, that sounds good.
$10 and so I'll have to cut. I'll cut. Wonder if they're all a little bit longer.
Bonus.
Okay. Bonus wood.
Yeah, bonus wood. Yeah.
Hard to complain about.
Yeah. Well, the price of wood nowadays.
Yeah.
Any bonus material's good. Probably all are.
Probably all about a 1/4 inch longer. That's usually the case.
Yep.
Yeah, they're like 3/8.
Got almost a whole extra bonus inch.
It would be more than. Be an extra 1/8 inch and 1/8. Yeah. Or we'll just cut it right in half.
How about that?
Sounds like I hear monkeys or
I
something.
know it does. That one did. It was like, oh, ah.
Freaking monkeys in these woods.
That's weird. Kind of messed up, but you know, I'm okay with it.
Yeah, it's fine by me. I don't mind monkeys.
Everybody likes monkeying around once in a while.
Can't really see.
I guess.
We'll get one in here.
Okay.
We'll figure out like. We'll just get them in and we'll get it all like
Yeah.
proper later. It's gonna fall down, but it'll be lined up at least, right?
Yeah, I suppose.
I could put the square on at the end too.
Yeah. I'll just take this one down to the end 'cause that's where it's going.
Yeah. Swap these out.
Just safe.
Just need those for the corner boards now.
Right, yeah. Yes,
Why would
sir.
you do?
Just me cutting this in general.
Yeah, finger's gone. Here we
There you
go.
go. Oh, look at those puppies.
Yeah.
They look different, probably because our other ones were completely rusted.
That other pack?
Yeah, that old pack.
Yeah, the
Remember
old
we
one.
used that? Of course we didn't have any
We'll
left.
crank this.
No wonder.
It's up. It's on 2. And let's hopefully let the batteries half decent.
Yeah. I get a few shots out of it.
Done.
Yeah, one.
All right. Let's get it started anyway.
Yeah.
That's actually pretty sweet there.
I mean, it's as close as it's going to get.
What? You serious?
I don't know, I thought, yeah. If they're on a flat thing, wouldn't it be?
Just as close as it's gonna get. You sure? Sure about that? Nail it. Looks pretty messed up. I'll nail it. Whatever.
Can't do any better.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah, just go 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks decent.
Yep.
Yeah, that would be good.
Good. Yeah, you
Yeah.
did.
There you go.
Go again.
Yeah. Been a few years since we built a beam.
Yeah. It's fun though.
There's one section.
Nice. Out again.
You'll need just a little
Little filler.
piece of plywood or something to fill that in when we do it.
Yeah. Use your hammer. Really gonna want. Just a wee bit there.
Staple in there.
Of course there is.
Tell me when.
Well, should I pull the staple out?
Yeah, I'm pulling this one out just a sec.
All right. Okay. Yeah, I think I can get it. Yeah. It's pretty tight. I don't know if you'd even bring it in at all if you hit it, but okay, that's tight.
Good?
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to go up or down, up with it?
No, that's bang on right,
Right.
there. So just this, I think this one's level. It's just kind of like messed up, missing pieces. Should I just put a nail in it?
That's just because the way it was ripped. Yeah.
Yeah.
As long as they're tight and flat, yeah. We'll keep
I
the.
moved it.
Yeah. Nice to notice that. Is it alright?
No. No, it's too high.
You got to hold this kind of when you
Yeah. That's better.
do it? Woo.
Almost put my hands there and lost my fingers.
Here. How does it look?
Yeah, that's good.
There, here, just a second. You just want to
Put one
you want to
closer?
keep it flat as you can too, because you go that way and then
Yeah.
all the boards twist. Right?
Yeah. I could just put one closer to you.
You throw the square on it. Got a square click. Straight down there. Well, check that. Try that. Ready?
Yeah. Here's my next one.
Where at? Right here? You could probably just go over there if you want. Don't think it's going through, but
Just in case. Then you got
you
one
get
there. I
those.
don't know if
You're
I'm
just gonna throw it at the
yeah.
end. You got any at the very end?
No, I gotta
No?
do that. Yeah.
Right.
Not got any yet. Thanks, Gay.
No problem.
Yep. No, I don't know what happened there. Yeah, go again. It's fine. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing?
We'll
Okay.
toss her back in a second.
Yeah.
That seems pretty decent there. You got it? No. Oh, can you do that? All right.
Is it still okay?
I think so, yeah. There we go. Ready? Oh, you just smashed my knuckles. That's nice.
Sorry.
I just lost the first layer of skin on my right index finger.
I see it bleeding. Oh, sorry.
Just gonna drive this sharp 1/4 inch piece of metal.
Right into your hand. I'm a hazard to work with. Seems pretty bang on right there. Out too far?
What?
Is it out too far?
No, they're just a little off. I'll just have to skill saw them off to
Yeah.
match them.
Yeah, yeah.
Just because remember they're different lengths a little bit.
Yep. This looks pretty flat though.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah. See, feel.
Very nice. It was pretty good down there if we get that metal. Oh, that's easy enough.
It was super easy to move.
That's pretty good, eh?
Yeah.
Is it?
I think it is.
All right. We'll attack it. And we'll work our way. Yeah, here I'll attack. This one I think it's gonna hold up anyway. We'll just keep it from the. Don't go to the edge because I'm gonna
Yeah,
run a
cut
saw
it.
just to square it all up. You drew first blood.
They drew first blood.
Yes, I did again. What else is new, eh?
Did this a few years ago and I held your arm. Oh, it's windy. Oh, it's shaky. It's
She
not
would-
bolted yet.
She would have only been 3 back then.
Want me to hold your hand?
Hey!
You made her almost.
I can do the log.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you can do this soon as we bolt those, right? This is, let me try. Break my leg.
Yeah. I'll catch you. He crushed me.
It's floating on that one. That's why. This one's got to come up. Hey?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. See it?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, this feels familiar.
Yeah.
Hey?
Sure does.
Yeah. Oh, we got one beam done. So that's
Super exciting.
pretty cool, right?
3.5 years later,
Yeah.
doing it all over again.
Mm-hmm. In a way better location.
Yeah,
I love it.
it's cool.
The trees are more mature.
Mm-hmm.
The stream is right like in front of us,
Yeah, it's really
Instead of-
nice. Out back.
hundreds of feet away.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Which is cool.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of cool stuff about it.
It is really nice.
That's perfect where that sun comes in there too.
Yeah, get
Love-
lots of light in
Yeah,
here.
I love it.
Mm-hmm.
So
Heat
you-
up the place.
So we got a beam,
Yay!
just a little start,
Mm-hmm.
but a good start.
A good start.
Yeah, we have to haul. We're just hauling in like enough wood each day for a beam.
Mm-hmm.
We got enough for another one here. We gotta run back and get another one, and then we're gonna get all the joists ordered.
Yeah, we'll get that delivered.
Yeah.
So it come in one shot.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
What do you think, Sam?
I like it.
Mm-hmm.
It's cool, eh?
It's quite a bit bigger than in our first build.
Yeah. She drew on all these.
Yes, you went around with a pencil. Drew
Drawn on them
pictures
all.
on all the beams.
We're gonna have to give her a pencil to draw on these ones. They'll
I
be
think we will.
like 3-year improvement on the pictures.
Yeah.
They were still pretty sweet pictures though. I
They
remember there was
were.
dinosaurs and everything.
Yeah.
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 So that's cool. All right, we got a couple more beams to do.
Yeah.